First thing to do is click on our Benzinga Pro shortcut we have saved to our phone. Click on that, open up the Pro version of Benzinga, and you can see the Signals tab right here. I'm going to go ahead and click that as well. This should pull up a list of populated results based on the signals and filters that you have set. You can click on the Filters tab at the top to change these filters to best suit your trading. For this scanner, we have only two filters: price to previous close and share float. For this example, I have $1 to $20 and up to 50 million share float. Just those two filters will now give us a list of populated results. A few of the results populated gave us ticker ALF at a price of $2.47, which then hit a high of $2.95 within minutes after the alert. Scroll down a little further to see another result, ticker CISO at $4.28, then hitting over $5 again within minutes. And last but certainly not least, we had a result on ticker CYRN of $5.54. We can see here within minutes after the alert, it went from $5 to $6 to then $7 to even over $8 again within minutes of the alert. What's great about this is it doesn't populate too many results, allowing you to focus on one or two tickers rather than too many at one time. Now, to get your results to look like mine on the screen, click that Signals tab in the top left-hand corner. This will allow you to customize what signals you get on your page. Go ahead and check the box that says highs. This will pull down a drop box, and then I choose day high series for this example. As we can see, day high series is the only signal I have set. By doing this, we'll minimize those results on this page, allowing for a cleaner setup. Now, to recap those filters, click the Filters tab at the top, and you'll see that the two filters we have is price from previous close and share float. Price from $1 to $20 and a maximum of 50 million share float. That's it, guys. One signal, two filters, and you'll have the same populated results as I do here. If you made it to the end of this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I thank you, and we'll see you in the next one.